To do this trend, first go to any web browser and search for Moonjoy. Now click on Moonface Calculator. Now add your date of birth here. Now slide down and here you will find your moon. Wait for it to load and after that hold onto the photo to download. Now add your partner date of birth and then download the photo. Now after this, open your TikTok application. Now go to search option and search for Moon Soulmate trend. Now here you will find the videos with the same trend. Now click on any one of the video. Now here you will find an option of try this template. Click on this option. Now click on use template in CapCut. If you don't have CapCut application, this will not work for you. Now click on use template and add the moon photos you have downloaded. Now click on text and then double click on the existing text to edit with your date of birth. After that, edit your partner date of birth. Now click on export to export your video. Now after this, you will be automatically directed to TikTok. Now your video is ready to post. If you want to add your photo or video in the beginning, then click on edit. Now click on plus icon and add your photo or video from your gallery. Adjust your photo to full screen. Now set your clip duration. You can set the length according to you, but I prefer 2.0 seconds. Now click on your video and turn down the volume to 0. Now add text. Now trim the text layer till the end of your first clip. Now go back and add audio. Now click on add sound. Go to search option and search every summertime. Now click on the first audio to add. Now your video is ready. Click on your template video and increase the speed to 1 point per second so that it matches with the song. This is optional. Now check your video and then click on save to post. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.